commonly known as acetic acid with respect to its odor, effect on litmus paper, solubility in water, and reaction with sodium bicarbonate. Ethanoic acid or acetic acid is an organic acid with a carboxylic acid functional group. It is commonly used as a preservative. For conducting this experiment, we need a test tube holder, spatula, red and blue litmus paper, dropper, test tubes, lime water, sodium bicarbonate, glacial acetic acid, distilled water, and filter paper to keep used dropper for avoiding contamination. While conducting this experiment, handle acetic acid carefully as it is a pure form of acid, so it is corrosive. Take a test tube and add few drops of glacial acetic acid to it. And smell it. It has a pungent odor like vinegar. Take another test tube and add some distilled water to it. Precaution should be taken while mixing acid and water. Acid should be added to water, not water to acid, because density of acid is higher than that of water, so it will go down and settle at the bottom of the test tube. Add few drops of glacial acetic acid. Shake well and observe. We can see that glacial acetic acid is soluble in water. Now let us check the effect of glacial acetic acid on litmus paper. Take a strip of red litmus paper and put a drop of glacial acetic acid on it. There is no change in the color of the litmus paper. Now take a strip of blue litmus paper and put a drop of glacial acetic acid on it. There is a change in color indicating that it is an acid. Now take another test tube. Care should be taken on adding sodium bicarbonate to glacial acetic acid. Only small amount of sodium bicarbonate should be added to control the intensity of the reaction. Add a few drops of glacial acetic acid in the test tube. Now add a pinch of sodium bicarbonate. Observe, there is an evolution of a colorless gas. Now we will pass this gas through lime water. Lime water turns milky, indicating that the gas is carbon dioxide. After the experiment, we infer that ethanoic acid has a pungent odor like vinegar. It is soluble in water and acidic in nature. On reacting with sodium bicarbonate, it produces carbon dioxide